My daughter has like literally all the dragons, and in this box is like other boxes of like Legos. It's just crazy. So kids love Legos. I don't know why. I don't know what the obsession is. And as a parent, I've come to find out that Legos are ridiculously expensive, especially old, out of production ones. Like this fire engine is out of production. This is her Valentine's Day gift, but we're not here to talk about Legos. We're here to do an unboxing. Let's bring the camera in, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing of see what these are saying. Boxes in there, the bright yellow. Put my knife over there. So we're gonna take these out. Smells weird. It smells like Legos and sneakers. Put that to the side. So we have two boxes. My son, I think my daughter's a 1, and these are how they look. So these are the Lego Sport ELK. No idea. I have no information on these things other than what you're seeing in this video. And like I said, these are my daughter. She saw a commercial on TV, and she wanted these. So my son, I'm sorry. So I thought my son was actually a toddler size. So these were both like about $60 each, because the infant sizes are like $45 for the same shoes. So that's my son. He's 2. He's a big 2. And I think we got a size ahead. He's now a 10.5. We got a 12. Let's get right in there. So these are them. The reason I'm doing this video, like most of my videos, is that because I Googled for these right before Christmas, and there was no information on these online other than a couple of guys selling these on StockX and eBay for a lot of money when these retail for $60. So I'm not a fan of Adidas for kids. My daughter, like I said, she had Adidas when she was in preschool, when she was like 2 or 3, and they're really tight to get on, even with the Velcro, and they fit at the time. I think she was at 8C or 9C. She grew out of them really quick because they fit her really tight. So these smell really good. They smell like candy, Legos, and sneakers. They have a really good smell to them. I like that. I wonder if this has the boost. It's very soft midsole there. I like the colors. You can see there it's sort of a translucent forest green. And it kind of Lego pattern, and I'm not sure what that number refers to. I'm gonna have to Google that. See inside there, it looks like a plastic Lego piece, which is really cool. So the outsole is rubber, and right in there it's like, you can hear the difference. That's rubber. That's like a plastic piece, which is really cool. These are top quality, actually, really good quality shoes. Would I pay $300 for them? No. So I'm not sure what these guys reselling these for. And I guess these are limited edition. There you go. You see the Adidas and the Lego, what do you call it? X? Lego X Adidas X Lego. There's actually information on these at the Lego website, believe it or not. And they are Lego X Adidas Kidswear. Here, we're going to go right into on feet. I have both my kids contained in the kitchen space, the only space I could contain them where they don't run off. And they're just wearing them. They're really big on them, as you see in this video. We bought them for them to wear in the summer. Now it's February, the week of February 15th. So we don't expect them to be wearing this until the end of school, like June, July, in the summertime when they grow into them. So you see that they look really big and kind of awkward on the kids' feet. But they seem to be loving it. My daughter, like I said, she liked her Legos. My son, he's into it because whatever she's into, he's going to be into it too. So they like it. My daughter said they're comfortable. They are a little spacious inside, but they are soft when she walks in them. She's no complaints there. So on feet, they look good. And my daughter said they feel good. I really like the colors. I like the back here, how the green, the blue, and the red. It's really nice summery colors. I just want to show you guys the back here so you get a sense of how that looks. Go a little bit more into the shoes. Adidas, that's the thing, you could never take the insoles out of them, which is always strange. But this camera's having a hard time focusing today. Hey guys, the video mode was acting up, so I took images to show you guys the finer details of this amazing shoe. What I like about the collaboration projects like this is they put a lot of tremendous amount of details into products like these, where you get the Adidas and the Lego, you get a personality and the characteristics of both brands, just, you know, mashed up in there. You get something really beautiful like this when it does work. So I love that they've done this. You know, you get the Legos, you get the Adidas, and the kids are happy. I like the colors, very summery. I like that Lego and that Lego. And my son, the toddler sizes, and this is a big kid size. Big kid and toddler, they're identical. I can't find any difference design-wise in the two. I like the Velcro because it allows the kids to put it on and off themselves. And Velcros are usually secure, but that is a really long Velcro strap. I'm not sure why Adidas would do such a long strap like that. I could totally see my son getting that stuck in something. That is really long. Considered it goes over the shoe and it's no, you know, I don't know why they did that. Must be a reason for that. You know why? Because it's the same strap. I think the straps are the same length, even though the sizes are like 2 sizes apart. Yeah, the straps are the same length. So I guess maybe it's a production, savings in production. You just cut one strap and use it in all the sizes for the shoes. So yeah, the straps are literally the same length. So if you get 3, 1, 2s, 12K, 12Cs, 11Cs, it looks like the strap is going to be all the same. Yeah, but very, very nice. I like the front there is nice as well, right there. They seem comfortable. Our kids would probably just run around. They wouldn't even care. My daughter really wanted these. My son likes Legos as well, whatever my daughter likes. And my daughter's a tomboy. And my son is like a boy. He's very aggressive. So whatever she likes, he's very competitive with her. He probably want the same thing. So hopefully they'll love these. So that's it, guys. This is my unboxing of the Adidas Lego Sport ELKs. And questions asked below. I could shoot this again when the kids actually wear these in the spring, summer. But definitely worth it. These were on the Adidas website a week ago, and I can't find them anymore. So definitely recommend them for kids. They look fun, different than your normal fare of the Nikes, these what is it, the Stride Rights, and those type of shoes, the Carters, Oshkosh Bagosh. Oh yeah?
Even cats run all over the place.
Sometimes they do.